Louis, Lisa DeHart here, 3 Minutes with a Maine Guide. We're continuing our baking thing. We're working a nice fire, starting with the wash buckets and the flames all licking the wash buckets. And then when that dies down, we're going to do the classic canoe tripper's breakfast, sausage, gravy, and biscuits. Stay tuned. So I'm going to do this sausage, gravy, and biscuits in the Woody's Dutch oven, which thankfully you can get at Maine Guide Supply. And I just wanted to show you the camper kitchen and the Woody's Dutch oven side by side. Obviously, there's a mechanism for a lid here. Don't really know how that's going to play out, but it's probably going to be okay. And it's significantly deeper and taller. It's more square-like than rectangle. But I think if we build it right, we can do the biscuits and the sausage gravy all in one pan. So the mix we made up in the house, I just dumped in this bowl. Here it is, biscuit mix. I've got 3/4 cup of the powdered milk, and with just drinking water, we're gonna dump that in. And we're just going to mix it until it's a dough that cleans the bowl. Okay. See this? This is what I mean when I say a dough that cleans the bowl. That's all I mean, is that it does that. Okay, here we go. Little rolling flour. We're just going to spread that out on the cutting board. We're just going to drop this. Couple quick little kneads, not too much. It's biscuit dough. You don't want to beat it to death or it'll get too tough. All right. Get it so that it looks like a little English muffin, a big English muffin. Okay. You could just make these in your hands. I like to cut it though. I like to go ahead and cut them. We're gonna roll on round 2 here. Yeah. All right. Okay, now we're going to do that one because that's how your mama did it. Okay. The Woody's Dutch oven preheating. We're going to take that off. We're going to spray a little Pam. Unless you want to scrub these, spend half the night scrubbing these at night, you better make Pam your best friend. All right. Gorgeous. So now we're going to put the top on and we're going to build our coals up. I've never done it with one of these Woody's Dutch ovens. This is pretty exciting, I think. All right, now, just like we did before, we're going gonna scoop these coals. We're gonna get them all on the top. Then we're gonna do the little sticks. All right. That one. That's a good one. Get the little sticks on here. All right. There we go. She goes. Now, just like last time, those sticks are going to burn and go out 3 times. 3 times. By a second time, you're going to be able to smell the biscuits in there, and that's going to be done. A high quality lean breakfast sausage, and I like to add this. It makes a really nice roux when you just sprinkle that in just a little bit with it. So I'm going to go ahead and do that. This makes it salty though, so don't add the salt. So I'm going to put a little bit of that in. And I'm going to do a little bit of rosemary and black pepper. And then I'm just going to mix it all together. A little bit of rosemary, a little bit of black pepper. Okay, this is hysterical. This is from when my son was little, but these used to be the little Play-Doh. Oh my gosh, they still say it. Play-Doh container. Okay, so I used to buy the Play-Doh, dump it out, wash these out. But I like these because you can do this inside of it. You know, I don't know. It's cheap. It works. I've never had them leak. Play-Doh containers, yeah. So I'm just going to mix this together, and then I'll show you what it looks like in the bowl. Okay, see, so all we did was we just incorporated all that in with that nice high-quality sausage. Look at that. You can see the rosemary. So now, we're just going to peek. We're going to take a look at our biscuits here. So we got our fireplace gloves on. Show you what the top of this looks like. Loons are on the job. All right, so we're going to take this off. I have to say, the camper kitchen has a lip right here that makes it a little bit easier to peek. And I know when you're first starting out, you like to peek a lot. That makes it a little bit harder. But let's go ahead and take a look. Oh, lovely, lovely. Look at that. Can you see that? Gorgeous. Let's take a look at this. Live before anything. Oh, nice. Look at that. Whoo! Hot as the dickens. Just want to show you guys how nice it is to fry in this. Like, look at how high the sides are. Like, it's because I'm frying on the lid and it's got that that handle thing on it. Sometimes it's a little bit wonky, but I never feel like it's going to go over. And just, man, you could fry fish in this. I gotta tell you, pretty nice. Those nice, big, high sides. Okay, I've pulled this off the fire so I can build it. The next part is really simple. We're just gonna take the rolling flour from making the biscuits, and we're just gonna coat the sausage and everything in the pan. Just coat it with the nice flour. Might put just a wee bit more flour in there. Let's coat that up. And then we're just going to push all this flat, pour the milk in, and that is, I like to use, now, this is what I'm doing now, all that good stuff on the bottom I like to get up once the liquid hits it. And then we're going to put it back on the fire, and we're just going to bring it to a boil, moving it around like this, and it's going to turn into this wonderful gravy. This is how you know the gravy's done. See how you can see the bottom of the pan and then it fills in? That is perfect, you guys. Sausage, gravy, and biscuits. So I just want to show you guys. Sausage, gravy, and biscuits. The biscuits underneath came out so good. Look at that. Man, yum, yum, yum. Thanks for joining us for Sausage, Gravy, and Biscuits. I'm Lisa DeHart, and you've just spent 3 minutes with a Maine Guide.